Hi, it's just a quick one today. It's a compilation of all last year's Vise I've done. So you can either click the information thing at the top of the screen and it take you over to my Vise restoration playlist, or wait for the end of the video where there'll also be a link to take you over. Now, seeing as you're all here and Vices are all here, please leave a comment down below to which Vise was your favourite this year. Thank you very much. If you don't like music, just hit mute. I'm not going to say no more. Bye for now. And remember, all these Vise have full restoration videos. Just click the link up the top of the screen now or at the end of the video. Okay, so the link's coming up about now. Click on that, it will take you to my Vise restoration playlist and you can pick a Vise restoration to watch. Okay, Happy New Year and bye for now.